Right now I'm turning this banana peel into a powerful fertilizer that will give your tomatoes a boost like nothing else. And that's just one of the 15 gardening hacks you'll see in this video. By the end you'll have practical, easy to follow tricks that save time, money, and effort, all using items you already have at home. Each hack is proven to work, whether you're growing vegetables, flowers, or herbs, and they're designed to make your garden more productive and enjoyable. Welcome to Timeless Gardening. Today I'm sharing 15 essential gardening hacks you need to know. Before we dive in, I want to know where you're watching from. Drop your location in the comments below. If you enjoy these tips, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss new gardening ideas. Let's get started. Hack number 1. Cardboard weed barrier. Ditch the plastic. This simple hack saves hours of weeding each week and costs almost nothing. Flatten cardboard boxes and lay them directly on your garden soil to block weeds from growing. Cover the cardboard with a layer of mulch or compost to keep it in place and help it break down naturally over time. Unlike synthetic weed barriers, cardboard feeds the soil as it decomposes and provides a habitat for beneficial organisms like earthworms, which improve soil health. To get the best results, overlap the cardboard edges by at least 6 inches to ensure weeds can't push through. Remove any tape or staples before placing it in the garden, and wet the cardboard thoroughly so it stays in place under the mulch. Over time, the cardboard will break down completely, enriching the soil while keeping your garden weed-free. Hack number 2. Banana peel tea. Free liquid fertilizer. Every banana peel you normally throw away is packed with nutrients that your plants will love. By soaking banana peels in water for about 48 hours, you create a nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer that can be poured directly around the base of your plants. This simple method provides potassium, calcium, and phosphorus, essential minerals that help fruits, vegetables, and flowers grow strong and healthy. It's an easy, cost-free way to give your garden a natural boost without buying expensive fertilizers. For best results, use 1 banana peel per 5 cups of water and avoid letting it ferment for longer than 72 hours to prevent unpleasant smells. This banana peel tea works especially well for container plants, but it can be applied to any garden bed. With regular use, your plants will thrive and you'll start seeing stronger growth, more flowers, and better fruit production. Hack number 3. Milk Jug Mini Greenhouse. A simple plastic milk jug can protect your seedlings and give them a head start in any garden. By cutting off the bottom of a gallon jug and placing it over young plants, you create a mini greenhouse that shields them from frost, pests, and harsh winds. The jug traps warmth and moisture, creating a microclimate that helps delicate seedlings grow faster and stronger. This method is particularly useful for early spring planting or for starting seeds indoors before moving them outside. To use it effectively, remove the cap on warmer days to prevent overheating, and secure the jug with a stake if it's windy. You can also label each jug with the plant type, doubling it as a plant tag. This hack is low cost, reusable, and keeps your seedlings protected during their most vulnerable stage, giving them a much better chance to thrive in the garden. Hack number 4. Coffee grounds for pest control and fertilizer. Used coffee grounds can do more than just make your morning coffee. They're a natural fertilizer and pest deterrent for your garden. By sprinkling a thin layer of coffee grounds around the base of plants, you add nitrogen, potassium, and magnesium to the soil, which helps improve plant growth and soil structure. At the same time, the texture of the grounds discourages slugs and snails from approaching your plants, making it a natural and eco-friendly pest control method. Use this hack sparingly, applying only a thin layer at a time, and focus on acid-loving plants like blueberries, azaleas, and tomatoes. For a longer-lasting effect, mix coffee grounds into your compost, allowing nutrients to release slowly over time. This simple, no-cost technique improves soil health, protects plants from pests, and makes use of something you would normally throw away. Hack number 5. The buried bottle deep watering system. This method delivers water directly to the roots where plants need it most, reducing watering time and encouraging stronger root growth. By poking holes in the sides of a plastic bottle and burying it next to a plant, you create a simple drip system. Fill the bottle through the top, and water seeps slowly into the soil, keeping roots consistently moist without wasting water on the surface. This technique is especially effective for thirsty plants like tomatoes, peppers, and squash. For best results, use a 2-liter bottle for larger plants and paint it green so it blends into the garden. Make sure the holes face the root zone and bury the bottle deep enough to reach the main root system. This hack not only conserves water but also helps plants develop deeper roots, making them more resilient during dry periods and improving overall garden health. Hack number 6. Eggshell Calcium Boost and Slug Control. Don't toss your eggshells. They're a natural source of calcium that your garden plants crave. By drying and crushing eggshells and scattering them around the base of plants, you provide essential calcium that helps prevent blossom end rot in tomatoes, peppers, and other vegetables. The jagged edges of the shells also act as a physical barrier, deterring slugs and snails from reaching your plants. For best results, dry the shells in the oven at 200 FF for about 20 minutes to sterilize them. Then crush them finely so they break down faster in the soil. You can also mix some into planting holes during the season for an extra boost. This dual-purpose hack strengthens your plants while protecting them from common pests, all without spending a dime. Hack number 7. Muffin Tin Seed Spacing Tool. Getting consistent spacing for seeds is essential for healthy plant growth, and a simple muffin tin can make it effortless. Press the tin into prepared soil to create evenly spaced planting holes. Then drop seeds into each indentation and cover lightly with soil. This ensures uniform spacing, better air circulation, and easier harvesting, reducing the risk of disease and overcrowding. A standard 12-cup muffin tin works perfectly for about 3-inch spacing, making it ideal for small vegetables like lettuce, radishes, or beets. After use, make sure to wipe the tin dry to prevent rust, and reuse it season after season. This low-cost hack takes the guesswork out of planting, giving you neat, well-spaced rows every time. Hack number 8. DIY Rain Barrel for Free Watering. Collecting rainwater is an easy way to provide plants with free, chemical-free water while reducing your water bill. By connecting a large barrel or container to a downspout and adding a spigot at the base, you create a simple rainwater collection system. The slightly acidic, chlorine-free water is ideal for most garden plants, helping them thrive naturally without relying on tap water. To make it more effective, cover the top with a fine mesh to keep out debris and mosquitoes, and elevate the barrel slightly to improve water flow. A standard 55-gallon barrel can collect a surprising amount of water from just one moderate rain, giving your garden a steady supply during dry periods. This eco-friendly hack is simple to set up and provides an ongoing source of nourishing water for your plants. Hack number 9. Citrus Peel Seed Starters. Citrus peels make charming and completely biodegradable seed starting pots. Simply have an orange, lemon, or grapefruit, scoop out the fruit, and fill the peel with seed starting mix. Plant your seeds directly into the peel, which can later be transplanted straight into the garden without disturbing the roots. As the peel breaks down, it adds nutrients to the soil, giving your seedlings a natural boost. For best results, score the bottom of the peel slightly to allow for drainage and place them on a sunny windowsill until seedlings sprout. This method works well for herbs, tomatoes, and peppers, and it eliminates transplant shock while reducing waste. Using citrus peels as seed starters is a simple, sustainable hack that turns kitchen scraps into a productive start for your garden. Hack number 10. Vinegar Weed Killer. Natural formula. You don't need harsh chemicals to get rid of weeds. A simple vinegar solution works effectively and is safe for the soil. Mix white vinegar with a bit of salt and a few drops of dish soap. Then spray directly onto the leaves of unwanted weeds on a sunny day. The acetic acid in the vinegar draws moisture out of the plant cells, causing the weeds to wilt and die, while the dish soap helps the solution stick to waxy leaves. For best results, apply on hot sunny days when weeds are actively growing. Be careful to avoid spraying on plants you want to keep, as this method is non-selective. Using horticultural vinegar with higher acetic acid content can tackle tougher weeds, making this pantry-friendly hack an effective eco-conscious alternative to commercial herbicides. Hack number 11. Egg carton seed starter trays. Cardboard egg cartons are a free and effective way to start seeds indoors. Fill each cell with potting mix and plant one seed per compartment. When seedlings are ready to transplant, simply cut the cells apart and plant them directly into the garden. The cardboard breaks down naturally in the soil, protecting roots and reducing transplant shock. This method keeps seedlings organized and separated, giving each plant room to grow without competition. Only use cardboard cartons, not polystyrene, and keep the lids handy to use as trays for watering. Label each row with a marker to track your plants, making this a simple, cost-free way to start a wide variety of seeds successfully. Hack number 12. Epsom Salt Transplant Cure. Epsom salt is a simple and inexpensive way to help plants recover from transplant shock. Before planting a seedling, place 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt in the bottom of the planting hole. Cover it with a thin layer of soil, and then plant your seedling on top. The magnesium sulfate in Epsom salt supports chlorophyll production and helps roots establish quickly in new soil. This hack works well for vegetables, roses, and shrubs, giving plants a strong start after being moved. For established plants, you can also use it as a foliar spray to address yellowing leaves. Just 1 tablespoon per gallon of water monthly can improve overall growth and vitality, making this an easy, low-cost way to ensure your plants thrive after transplanting. Hack number 13. Wick watering for vacation plant care. If you're going to be away from home for several days, your plants don't have to suffer. Wick watering is a simple hands-free system that delivers water directly to your plants as they need it. Place a jar or container of water slightly above the level of your potted plant and run a natural cotton string from the water into the soil. Capillary action draws the water through the string into the soil, keeping it consistently moist without overwatering. This method works for a single small pot or several larger containers by using multiple strings. It's best to test the setup 24 hours before you leave to ensure water is flowing correctly. Using cotton or wool strings rather than synthetic fibers ensures the water moves efficiently and your plants stay healthy while you're away, giving you peace of mind without daily maintenance. Hack number 14. Peppermint oil ant and pest repellent. Peppermint oil is a natural and effective way to keep ants and other common garden pests at bay. Mix 10-15 drops of peppermint essential oil with a cup of water and spray it directly on plant leaves and around the base of your plants. The strong scent overwhelms the senses of ants, aphids, and spider mites, keeping them away without harming your plants or the environment. For best results, reapply the spray after rain or watering. This method also helps deter deer and rabbits when used around garden borders. Combining peppermint oil with neem oil can provide an even broader spectrum of pest protection, making it a safe, non-toxic alternative to chemical pesticides while keeping your garden smelling fresh. Hack number 15. Pinching and deadheading for maximum blooms. Pinching and deadheading are simple techniques that require no tools or money, but dramatically improve the growth and flowering of your plants. By pinching off the growing tip of young plants, you encourage side shoots to develop, resulting in a bushier plant with more flowers. Deadheading, or removing spent blooms, redirects the plant's energy into producing new flowers rather than seeds, keeping your garden vibrant for longer. For best results, pinch plants when they are 4-6 inches tall, and deadhead flowers like roses, marigolds, zinnias, and dahlias on a weekly basis. For woody stems, use clean, sharp scissors to avoid damage. Regularly practicing these simple techniques will transform leggy plants into fuller, healthier versions, giving you more blooms and a more productive garden throughout the season. There you have it. My top 15 gardening hacks that actually work. I want to know, which one are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one. If this video helped you save time, money, or effort in your garden, hit that thumbs up button, because it really supports the channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. I post every week with new tips, tricks, and garden ideas to help you grow smarter, not harder. Thanks for spending your time with me today. Now get out there and get your hands dirty.